Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by adding a card so payments work securely. Open Wallet and tap the plus sign, then scan or type your card number. Banks often require a text or app verification code. Once done, make sure to set a default card if you use multiple cards. Why this matters? Apple Pay tokenizes your card so the store never sees actual numbers, which reduces fraud. Now that the card is active and verified, move directly to making a payment. You'll authenticate before every transaction to confirm it's you. For iPhone with Face ID, look at the screen and hold your phone near the reader. For Touch ID, rest your finger and tap. On Apple Watch, double-click the side button, then hold the watch close to the terminal. For apps and websites, select Apple Pay at checkout, confirm shipping and billing, then authenticate. This flow uses a dynamic security code per purchase, so merchants never receive your real card number. Complete the transaction by waiting for the done confirmation and a check mark on screen. You'll also get a receipt or notification. You can review recent transactions in Wallet or your bank app and remove a card immediately if needed. If a payment doesn't go through, first make sure your device has a network connection and that Wallet is allowed in settings. If problems persist, update iOS, re-add the card, or contact your bank. Often re-verification or a firmware update fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.